Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the play ringtone function. That means the phone rings with internal ringtone instead of alarm signal on the NavShip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the second option, the My Boat. Scroll down and in the Anchor Watch section you can find the last option, the Play Ringtone, and if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.